Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom Bikini Trimmer. First, make sure your skin is completely clean and dry. This helps prevent irritation and ensures a smooth glide. Next, fully charge your trimmer. A full charge provides consistent power for about 60 minutes of use. Finally, choose the right guard length for your desired style, typically starting with a longer guard and adjusting as needed for comfort and precision. When you're ready to trim, hold the Bloom trimmer flat against your skin. This ensures an even cut and prevents nicks. Always trim in the direction your hair grows. This is crucial for minimizing irritation and achieving a smoother finish. Use slow, steady strokes, guiding the trimmer gently. Avoid pressing too hard, as the blades are designed to work effectively with light pressure, giving you a comfortable experience. For more precise shaping and detailing, you can carefully remove the guard. This allows for closer trimming and creating defined lines. Gently pull your skin taut with one hand while trimming with the other. This creates a smooth surface, preventing nicks and ensuring a clean edge. Take your time and use a small mirror to check your progress from different angles, ensuring a perfectly symmetrical and polished look. After trimming, rinse your skin with cool water to close pores and remove any stray hairs. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Then, apply a soothing, alcohol-free balm or lotion to help prevent any redness or irritation, keeping your skin feeling soft. Finally, clean your Bloom trimmer head thoroughly under running water and allow it to air dry completely before storing it, ensuring it's ready for your next use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.